Welcome everybody to Easy Mathematics by Sky. We are in question number 4. As you can see, question number 4 states that express the following decimal expression into rational number. So we have 6 subdivision here. The first subdivision states 0.24 bar. This bar is very important thing. As we see, the bar is above 24, 2 and 4. The bar is above 24. That means it is repeated in terms of 24, 24, 24. So we calculate it in this way. First we write this as x equal to 0.242424 and make this as equation 1. Then as the 24 is 2 digit, so we have to multiply first equation throughout by 100. So as you multiply x by 100, it becomes 100x. And decimals should be in the first equation before the repeating number and after the repeating number in the second. So you can see 24.24.24.24. Okay, so this can be written as 2 minus 1. We subtract these two. So this is 100x equal to 24.24.24 and dot 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 as it continues, minus the first one. The first one is 1x, that is 0.242424. So we write decimal below the decimal point. So 2424 being subtracted. So it remains as 24. 100 minus 1 remains 99x. And therefore x is equals to 24 by 99. Now our next question. This is the second subdivision in which we are given that 327 bar. This is the second subdivision in which we are given question as x equal to 2.327 bar. So first we expand the x, that is 2.327, 327, 327 and so on. After this we see the number repeated is 327, that is 3 digit. So we have to multiply by 1000 first, and there is an exactly decimal point before the repeating number. Now we have to keep this decimal point after the repeating number. So it becomes 1000x. Before going to this, we mark this as 1. If the decimal point is before the repeating number, it should be marked as 1. Now 1000x equal to 237, sorry, 27.327 327 327, just write 3 times. This becomes our second equation because the decimal point is after the first repeating number. Okay, now we subtract these two. 2 minus 1. So 2 is 1000x is equals to 327.327 and so on. Subtracting with 1, it becomes 1x equal to, we place decimal below the decimal and we see there is a number before it, so we write this as unit place. Then we repeat the decimal value 327 327 327. We just write 3 times. Then we are first placing the decimal point below the decimal point. Then we subtract this, all of this becomes 0. 7 minus 2 becomes 5. 2 is as it is. 3 is as it is. Again 2 is as it is. Equal to, below equal to. 1000 minus 1 becomes 999x. So x equal to 2325 by 999. This is the value of x. Hence this is the answer. Hence this is the answer for question number 2. Now our question number subdivision 3 is minus 5.132. As you can see in this subdivision, there is no bar. The difference from these two questions is there is no bar. So first we have to write as x equal to minus 5.132. So as you can see, after decimal there are only three places. Those places 1, 3, 2. So three places means we have to multiply by 1000 both side. So into 1000. So it becomes 1000x equal to minus 5.132 into 1000. I did not jump the decimal, now I'll jump. So it will go after the 2. So hence it remains as minus 5132. This is as it is 1000x. We don't have to frame equation for repeating decimal. Hence therefore x is equals to minus 5132 by 1000. This is the answer for the third question. Coming to the fourth question, that is fourth subdivision, 3.17 bar. So there is bar just above the 7. So how do we write this is? We write this as fourth subdivision. The question is x equal to 3.17 the bar. Therefore, we write x equal to 3.17777 like this. So repeating number is 7. There is no decimal point before the repeating number. So we have to multiply by 10 because it is at distance of one place. So it becomes 10x equal to 31.7777. So this becomes our first equation. Because the repeating number should contain decimal before it, only then it is 1. Then the repeating number is only one place. So again we multiply by 10. So it becomes 100x equal to 317.777 and so on. So we write this as 2. Then we subtract 1 and 2. 2 minus 1. So it becomes 100x equals to 317.777. So as you can see, after subtraction it becomes 0, 0 and 0. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 31 minus 3 is 28. It becomes 90x. Therefore our x is 286 by 90. Thank you. Subscribe the channel for regular updates.